Hey guys, so this is the new TTDEYE Love Me line that they just released. Wow, I am really impressed with this line, like extremely impressed. Even though the colors are very vibrant and really dramatic, they still somehow managed to design the lens so that it looks natural. The pupil hole is very well designed. Aside from the iris line, I am really just loving this new line. So the pupil hole is bigger, but extremely feathered. It's actually lined with brown, like a beige brown color. So it actually blends really well with a brown iris because of the coloring. And then it's really transparent in the center, and then it kind of goes more pigmented as it goes more to the outside, but it's just very feathered, very well blended. So the pupil hole actually is not such a sharp contrast between your iris and the color contact because they did such a great job with the pupil design. There's very, very minimal bug eye effect with these contacts. And honestly, I think that if you had really dark brown eyes, there would be absolutely no bug eye effect, I don't think, because the pupil isn't too large and it's not too small, and it's just the perfect size so it looks like your normal pupil. So that's the pupil hole. I'm really picky about that. I like it. I think they pulled off a really good design considering how vibrant these colors are. And all of these contacts also feature a really thick purple limbal ring, which is awesome because I love purple. And these contacts look like rainbowy. Did you guys notice? Like they're just like, so it's kind of like obviously brown in the center because it's my iris, and then it goes to this beautiful deep blue, like dark blue color, and then it's lined with this just vibrant violet limbal ring, and so it looks like rainbow, but it doesn't look super unnatural, which is like, what? So yeah, I am really just so far loving this Love Me line. All right, let's move on to the next pair. Okay guys, so here is the Love Me green. The green is more of a turquoise color, and the rainbowness of the contact is even more pronounced with this turquoise because it's more of a contrast between the violet and the turquoise, and then my iris, and it's just like, wow, they have really stepped up their game with this new line. To me, these are like, I would wear these in daylight. That's how like natural I think they are, but they just don't look like creepy fake where people just, you know, stare at you in the street because they're just like, bro, like what is it, Halloween? I mean, it's coming up, but these, I feel like these are fun. They're contacts, but like they still look natural and they just don't make you look freaky, you know what I mean? Like they don't make you look like this going on here. Okay, let's move on to the next pair. Guys, so here is the Love Me brown. Okay, believe it or not, these look less subtle and less natural than the Love Me blue and green because of the way the pupil hole is. It's a very, it's not feathered or blended, this pupil hole, and it goes into like a sandy brown, and then again it's ended off with their beautiful purple limbal ring. But it's more, I don't know why, like even though the color is like more natural technically, the blue and the green just look more natural to me. But if you like your browns, then there is the Love Me brown option in this collection. Okay guys, let's move on to the last pair. pink, which doesn't really look pink. Like the actual lens looks pink when it's in the lens case, but when you put it on your eye, it looks like a light brown, I think. To me, it looks like a toned down, more natural version of the Love Me Brown. And I think it would go really, really good on really dark brown eyes. I think it would look perfect. It would perfectly blend and make your dark brown eyes a couple shades lighter. I think that's what this would do. On my medium brown eyes, it does make my eyes lighter, obviously, but you do see a tiny bit of contrast in the pupil hole, but not that much, honestly. The pixelation is excellent on these, like, right? It's good, it's good. The pixelation is good on these contacts. Pupil hole's pretty good, I would say. They did feather it. And then again, their signature violet limbal ring. These contacts range from 14.0 to 14.5 millimeters. To me, they look like a 14.2. I'm just kind of putting it out there. That's kind of what they look like to me. So I think these contacts retail for around $30 US. Usually that's what TTDEYE prices their contacts at. Their prescription, they last a year. The base curve is 8.6 millimeters. I have a discount code for you guys, Lyra Scotch with a Z, and I will link the contacts below. Really, really happy with this line. They did a really great job. Let me know if you want me to review any other lines from this company, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!